And this is my Jeep. Quick update on the oil pump. As you can see, I put some black RTV along that edge that I grounded off. Also, I removed the red RTV and replaced it with black RTV on the pickup tube. All right, this is the next clip. It's in the afternoon, about 1:30 or so. I've got my oil pump ready to go in. As I showed you before, I've got some black RTV now on the edge there where I ground some off, and I put some around where the pickup tube went into the pump, hopefully to give it a better seal. So now I'm rechecking everything. I'm gonna put this pump in. I got my new gasket. I'm gonna be very careful with that gasket because I rut the last one, and we'll see what we do here. See if I make any progress. I'll get back with you a little bit later. Out. Okay, this is the next clip. About 20 minutes later, I've got it in and torqued, and I put thread locker on the bolts, and I torqued it to 17 foot-pounds. I forget how many inch-pounds that is. I'll try to figure that out later. Anyway, it's looking pretty good, as you can see. So anyway, I think I'm going to stop here. It's about 3 in the afternoon, 3:30, something like that. As you can see, the sun is on my legs. It's getting pretty warm. It started out cool this morning, but it's up around 80. And I went to an eye appointment. They dilated my eyes. My eyes are real fuzzy and everything. So I don't feel like working because of my eyes. So I'm going to cut it off there, and I'll pick it back up tomorrow. I'm going to check everything, recheck my torques on the, look at everything, rotate the crank, and then I'm going to start putting that oil pan on. Out. Getting back, that's where I grounded off, right there. You see the black RTV on there, and I can see the edge of the gasket. I'm hoping this is going to come out all right. If it don't, I've got another oil pump ready to go if it starts leaking. And let's hope the engine runs okay too when I start it up. And I will prime the oil pump by pulling the relay and turning the relay on the fuel pump, and then I'll turn the engine over without starting, and that's should be good enough to prime the oil throughout the engine and the oil pump. Out for now.